Here we got a yard machine riding mower that's pulley to the drive shaft. I don't know if you can see it has broken. And I already fixed it once, but the snap ring didn't work. So now I'm gonna weld it on. And you gotta take this transaxle off. And you do that by these 2 bolts, and then there's 2 on the other side. And there is 2 connected to the frame that are the hardest. And they go right there. You want to take these ones out first, and you want to put them on first, and then you have this spring to take off the tension from this belt. And then you're going to want to undo this spring from the brake and weave it out from the cable way on top of it, all the way on it. Nope, it's not all the way on it. Okay, keep going. Okay, there's that one. And there's tons of these bolts. Okay, there's like 15 bolts and this clip thing that goes right about there. Then you're gonna take a hammer and a flathead screwdriver and peel these apart. And like I said, my pulley right here, the snap ring came off, and there's a gear in here, like the drive shaft gear, that makes it drive forward and backwards, that came off, and so I'm gonna dig that out. Here is your shifter, which is that guy, and it moves them just forward, and there's reverse. Here's your brake. Everything seems to be running how it should run, except for that drive shaft. But it's not broken, it just lost the snap ring. But all the teeth seem to be good, and that gear is on the pulley now. But I just fixed this, and I put a snap ring on there, and it broke off. So I think I'm gonna weld it to the shaft. So I will do that and then clean all this up and get it put back together and show you how that's done. Here's my transaxle to my yard machine. It just quit going forwards and backwards, and it's because this drive shaft broke off from the gear. Looks like a snap ring has come off, so we're gonna take this bad boy apart. Everything put back together. That black clip goes there. Got the pulley put back on. I used some gasket maker, oil resistant kind. And it works. You can, like if you turn the pulley, make sure that you're in gear. And you do that by this pin right here. Let me take this out. Alright, so you got your shifter working. That should be in gear. You turn one, the other should turn. You see that? Let me get it. Turns one way, turns the other. That's good. And then when you turn these, well, I'll show you that later, but you turn it one way and it turns the other. I'll show you. Okay, this is the yard machine. Just put the transaxle back on there. It's got 2 bolts on this side and a spacer, and 2 bolts on the other side and a spacer. It's got these 2 bolts that wrench is on. Those are the first 2 you want to put on. And it's going to have this spring for the tension belt. And you want to make sure that's on before you tighten anything, that tension belt. And there's a spring. It's going to go to the frame right there. This will go back to the brake. Oops.